Unveiling artistic treasures in museums and galleries across Africa. Hello, fellow art aficionados and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to another captivating episode of Africa is Not a Jungle. We're thrilled to have you join us on a journey that delves into the world of art as we uncover the hidden gems and artistic treasures housed in museums and galleries across the magnificent continent of Africa. Before we embark on this enlightening exploration, make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things Africa is Not a Jungle. Now let's sit back, open our minds to creativity, and enjoy the ride. A tapestry of expression. Africa's art scene is a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of history, culture, and diversity. It speaks volumes about the continent's past, present, and dreams for the future. From ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces, museums and galleries serve as windows into the artistic souls of African creators, offering us a glimpse of the stories that shape the cultural landscape. Resonating heritage and traditional art. Our journey begins with a visit to museums that proudly showcase the traditional art forms that have shaped Africa's identity for centuries. Wooden masks from West Africa, intricate beadwork from Southern Africa, and woven textiles from East Africa are just a few examples of how ancient traditions find expression in art. These pieces tell tales of rituals, ceremonies, and the connections between humans and their environment. Bridging past and present in contemporary art. As we step into the realm of contemporary art, we witness the ways in which African artists blend innovation with heritage. Galleries are now brimming with a diversity of mediums, from paintings and sculptures to digital installations and multimedia experiences. This fusion of tradition and modernity allows artists to address current issues while paying homage to their roots. African art's global impact. The influence of African art reverberates far beyond the continent's borders. Museums and galleries around the world proudly display African artworks, recognizing their significance and contribution to the global art narrative. Artists like El Anatsui, Yinka Shonibara, and Wangi Kimutu have made indelible marks in the international art scene, proving that African creativity knows no bounds. Cultural preservation and education. Museums and galleries across Africa serve as crucial hubs for cultural preservation and education. They safeguard artifacts and artworks that might otherwise be lost to time, ensuring that future generations can connect with their heritage. Educational programs, guided tours, and workshops offered by these institutions create opportunities for dialogue, understanding, and the nurturing of creativity in young minds. Women in African art. Our exploration takes a closer look at the influential role of women in shaping the African art landscape. From pioneering artists to curators and educators, women have been instrumental in asserting the importance of female voices in artistic dialogues. Museums and galleries play a pivotal role in celebrating their contributions and providing platforms for their work to be seen and appreciated. Art as social commentary. Art has always been a powerful vehicle for social commentary, and African artists are using their creative talents to address pressing issues within their societies. Museums and galleries exhibit thought-provoking artworks that tackle topics such as identity, gender, politics, and environmental concerns. Through visual storytelling, artists ignite conversations that transcend borders and challenge perceptions. Fostering cross-cultural exchange. Museums and galleries in Africa act as dynamic spaces for fostering cross-cultural exchange. They serve as meeting points where diverse perspectives converge, encouraging dialogue and mutual understanding. Collaborative exhibitions and artist residencies bring together creators from different backgrounds, nurturing a global appreciation for the unique narratives woven into African art. Pushing boundaries with new media. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, African artists are embracing new media to push artistic boundaries. Museums and galleries exhibit digital art, virtual reality installations, and interactive experiences that engage audiences in novel ways. These innovative approaches challenge conventional notions of art, inviting visitors to explore immersive worlds of creativity. The legacy of African art. As we conclude our artistic journey, we reflect on the lasting legacy of African art. Museums and galleries are not only custodians of creativity but also guardians of history. They play a vital role in shaping perceptions, inspiring future generations, and ensuring that stories embedded within the artworks continue to resonate for years to come. As we conclude our journey through the mesmerizing world of African art, we are reminded of the profound impact that creativity has on shaping societies, bridging cultures, and inspiring change. From traditional masterpieces that whisper ancient stories to contemporary creations that challenge conventions, Africa's museums and galleries are gateways to a universe of expression and connection. This has been Africa is Not a Jungle, inviting you to appreciate the artistic treasures that illuminate the continent's diverse landscapes. If you've been inspired by the beauty and significance of African art, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Your encouragement fuels our mission to spotlight the richness of Africa's culture and heritage. Until our next artistic adventure, remember, Africa is not a jungle.